Hi, I'm Dr. Christy. I attended the University of Missouri, Kansas City School of Medicine's 6-year BA/MD program. During my training, I was also selected for the prestigious National Institute of Health Medical Research Scholars Program. In my research year, I authored over 10 publications and co-authored 2 textbook chapters. The majority of my research focuses on skin, hair, and nail health, as well as health equity in dermatology. In school, I was also involved in several leadership roles and community service organizations. Alongside this, I've mentored students in medical school admissions, board preparation, and subject-specific tutoring, and this has been one of the most rewarding and memorable parts of my med school journey. Currently, I'm completing my dermatology residency here in New York City at the NYU Grossman School of Medicine Dermatology Residency Program. In the future, I plan on practicing medical, cosmetic, and surgical dermatology, as well as continuing my work in health equity by improving access to care and continuing research on conditions that disproportionately affect minority populations. In medical school, I was involved with the Student National Medical Association, both on a local as well as national level. In my school, I was our chapter's vice president, and a few things accomplished included creating a fundraiser that raised over $4,000 for our local chapter, as well as leading a school-wide town hall on biases in medicine. Nationally, I served on the advocacy committee with the National Medical Association and worked with the Cicatricial Alopecia Research Foundation. I also co-founded a mentorship program called the Dream Big Initiative, where we would visit local high schools, encouraging enrollment and application in our medicine program, as well as discussing various careers in healthcare. For my leadership in academics in school, I was honored with the Dean of Students honor. I also received the American Medical Association Foundation's Physicians of Tomorrow Scholarship. I believe success in med school comes from being strategic, knowing how to use your time and resources wisely. It's not just about being the smartest or the hardest working person in the room, but also knowing how to study effectively, knowing which resources and when to use which resources, as well as being able to build up your support system of peers, mentors, and advisors. Being resilient and having flexibility are just as important as having a good knowledge base for success in this medical school journey. My approach is highly individualized. I collect as much data as I can on my client or student initially, asking them about their specific goals and their experiences, and then from there, tailoring a specific plan that fits their needs. I believe each student has a story or a personal brand worth sharing, and my goal is just help them bring forward this story in the strongest, most authentic way possible. My greatest strength is my ability to connect with my students. This allows me to identify early on what will set them apart from a pool of applicants and help them present this in the most compelling way. As a first-generation physician and the second oldest of 6, I know how to relate to various people as well as the value of hard work and resourcefulness, and I bring this perspective to my coaching, which I believe helps my students feel both supported as well as empowered. I'm passionate about helping medical school applicants and medical school students, as I know firsthand the difference mentorship can have on someone's medical school journey. I was so fortunate to have such amazing mentors to guide me and pour into me in every step of my journey, and I'm just so excited to have the opportunity to pay that forward. Helping students gain confidence and discover their voice and achieve their dream of a medical school acceptance is something that is so rewarding to achieve. I am so excited for the opportunity to help you on your medical school journey and application process.